Welcome to our guide on how to enable two-step verification in your Google account and create an app password. In the following steps, you will learn how to make your account more secure and create special passwords for apps that don't support two-step verification. First, you need to log into your Google account. To do this, go to myaccount.google.com. There you will find all the important settings of your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the security section to enable two-step verification. Now you are in your Google account. To find the security settings, click on the tab on the left that says Security. On this page, you will see all the security options that Google offers for your account. This is where we will enable two-step verification. Scroll down the page until you find the two-step verification section. Here, click Enable Two-Factor Verification. This will guide you through the process of enabling two-step verification. The next step is to enter your phone number. Google will send you a verification code via text or call, which you must then enter here. This ensures that you alone have access to your account. After you enter the code, you will see a confirmation that Google two-step verification has been successfully enabled. For apps that don't support two-step verification, like some email programs or older devices, you will need to create a special app password. To do this, enter app passwords in the search box and follow the instructions. Select the application you need a password for. Once you have created the app password, you can use it in the corresponding app, such as KUNOMAIL. Copy the password and paste it into the app instead of your regular Google password. The creation of an app password for your Gmail account in KUNOMAIL is complete. Thank you for your valued attention. I hope you enjoyed it and look forward to seeing you again soon.